Good morning, children. Um, Welcome back once again in online classes. I have completed your half-yearly syllabus. In this class, I am going to take revision from lesson 6, which is HTML. Introduction to HTML. Lesson 6. HTML. What is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language, which is used to develop internet-based program or web programs. Clear? By the HTML, we can design websites, and HTML support many types of languages like DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language, XML. XML means Extensible Markup Language, JavaScript, VBScript, and many other net-based languages like C#, Java, COBOL, .NET, Pascal.NET, PHP.NET, and many more other languages. So, HTML is what you see, then what you get by this language. Means if you want to design any kind of website, then you can design by the HTML. It is support to different kinds of web browser like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. etc. Clear? So, it is the extensible markup language, and is the latest version of Standard Generalized Markup Language, means SGML. HTML was developed by the Tim Berners-Lee in the year of 1991. Okay, children? So, this is the HTML, and you can see here first program by the HTML. Clear? This is the web page, and it is run by the web browser. Clear? This is the Internet Explorer web browser, and you can run by this web page with this web browser. Clear? So, how many kinds of tags? First of all, what is tags? Tags are the information between the angular brackets, which is used to code HTML information. HTML is a set of elements. Elements are special keywords enclosed with the angular brackets, like angular bracket open and angular bracket close. Between the angular bracket, we just write the HTML. This is the HTML tag. It is used to declare any simple document as a web page, and is the HTML close. Okay. So there's some kinds of HTML tags like HR tag, BR tag, P tag, etc. etc. Okay. Tags are information which is enclosed within the angular bracket open and angular bracket close. Clear, children? So this is the tag. Tags are basically two types: container tag and empty tag. Container tag means which tag has opening tag and closing tag, known as container tag. Okay, like HTML. HTML is a container tag. Clear? And empty tag means which tag has only the opening tag, not required the closing tag, that is known as empty tag, like HR tag. Empty tag, HR tag, BR tag, okay, P tag, etc. etc. These are the empty tag. Clear? Attributes. What is attributes? Tags can have attributes which are extra bit of information. Clear? Attributes appear inside the tags, opening tags. Okay, like body. Attribute, in attribute, body tag. Body is a tag. Okay. If you want to give extra information like body, BG color. BG color. COLOR. Okay, children? You have to write the spelling COLOR. BG color. Red. And tag close. Clear? Then BG color is a attribute of body tag. This is the extra bit of information. Okay? So, BG color means background color of body. Okay? So, it is red. Next is getting started with HTML means how to start the HTML program. Children, to write the HTML coding, you must use the Notepad editor. Okay, so how to start Notepad? Click on Start button, Accessories, Notepad. Notepad window will appear like this. Okay, this is the Notepad window. Clear? And you can write here or type here your program. So let's see how to make a first program. HTML. First of all, write the HTML because it shows the document is created with the HTML, and HTML last in the last close. Then head, HEAD, head. Children, you can write your code in lowercase or uppercase both. Okay. HTML is not case sensitive language. Title, then my first page, web page, then title close. After that title close. This is the forward slash. Clear, children? Forward slash and title and then angular bracket close. Next is body. This side the body, then my first web page. This is you can write any other content. This is the body area. Clear, children? And body close. Clear? Then HTML close. Clear? This is the basic structure of HTML program. Okay? So here I defined the body tag. Body tag used to define the content inside the body. Clear? So body open and write the content and body close. Clear? After that you can use attribute of body tags. There are some different kinds of attribute of body tag like background, BG color, text, left margin, top margin, etc. Clear? So background. In the background, if you want to insert any picture in the background, then you can use body background equals to in double quotes picture name with the full path and their extension. Okay, and angular bracket close, then body close. Clear, children? Then BG color. BG color I already explained you. BG color means background color. Whatever color you want to give, then BG color equals to pink. Okay, then angular bracket close and body close. Text, if you want to give any text, then you just write the body text equals to any text like EduSoft or any content as a display in the background, then you can give. Okay, so body text equals to double quotes text, whatever you want. Next is left margin. Then you can use left margin inside the body. Whatever content you just shift in the left margin. Leave blank area. Okay, and top margin leave blank area at the top edges of the background. Okay. Next is horizontal rule or HR tag. HR tag. This is the HR tag, horizontal rule. Okay. You can write anywhere. Suppose you write after that head, then after head you just find out a thin line. Okay, thin horizontal line. That is a HR, horizontal rule. HR has a several attributes like size, width, align, no shed, color, etc., etc. Okay, and BR tag for the line break. If you want to your content shift in next line, then you can choose BR tag. Heading tag, if you want to declare content as a heading, then you can choose H heading tag or H1, H2, H3. Okay, and there's a heading H1 close. Clear? It's begin from the H1 and end with the H6. Okay, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay, like this. See, I already explained you in a previous classes. Okay, children. Next is attribute of heading tag. Attribute of heading tag is align. Align means where you want to align your heading. Like align attribute, align is equals to center, align equals to left, align equals to right, whatever you want. Clear? Then comments. What is comment? Comment are those lines which are non-executable, means compiler ignore these lines. Okay, it's only used for understand the whatever line of code you written. Okay, so it is describe the line of code. Clear? And it is not executed by the compiler. Clear? Like if you want to declare comment, then these see, then okay, this is comment. Clear, children? This comment and this one. Okay, so here your 6th chapter finished. I hope you revise this chapter very carefully. So who is the developer of HTML? Tim Berners-Lee. And in which year HTML was developed? In 1991. Okay, and what is the basic language of HTML? SGML. Okay, so these are some points you have to revise. What is full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. What is tag? Tag are the basic structure of HTML document and enclosed within the angular brackets. Clear? So these are some very important points, and you must have to revise complete chapter line by line and topic by topic. Okay, children, thank you so much. Best of luck. Have a nice day.